use our ULU vegan. So, first thing I want to say is this is all you need. People say, my goodness, 6 capsules. But hear me out. This is your multivitamin, your antioxidant, your immune, your female support blend, your vitamin D, your vitamin B's, and 2 proprietary blends for hair support. So, why did we do this? Because I was doing this, bottles everywhere, open, close all morning, and we put it into this. This is why in the vegan there's 43 active ingredients. So if you don't like to take capsules, this formula isn't for you. Now, we do have some people who open the capsule and they put it into yogurt or smoothie. You can do that as well. But remember, it is twice a day. We always advise you have a little something in your tummy when you take any supplement, because supplements and the ingredients in them can cause tummy upset. Nuts, a little yogurt, a smoothie, whatever you want to put it in. I tried to put it in melted chocolate one time. Don't do that. It was not good. And it's not a good excuse to eat chocolate. But anyway, any full glass of water. We want to make sure it gets into the tummy to be absorbed. Now, we also add this little bottle. Why do we do this? So that you can take some of your vegan, put it into this bottle, keep it in your handbag, keep it in your desk. If it's temperate, you can keep it in your car, your lunch bag. But that way, if you're like me, sometimes I forget, I run out of the house, I'm like, oh, I didn't take my ULU. So please use this because consistency is so important. And what's really important is that you feel good about you, yet you have good energy. We do have an energy blend in here, and that your thoughts are positive. And so you can live your best life and your best purpose.